What makes a legend? What makes its story live, breathe, and evolve from one generation to the other? What makes its magnificence memorable? The tales of its greatness and the trails of its fearless march. What makes the legend rule forever? Its ability to evolve in time, to overrule the norms, to make heads turn and change the game constantly. The legend, one that conquers all by pushing the boundaries of time as its legacy lives on. Safari. Get ready to reclaim your life